Hello everyone, welcome to the Mifratech. Today we are going to continue the session where we have stopped the last session with the some of the statements for if else, switch and while statements, and we have seen the break statement, how it will work, and some of the conditional statements. Now in this session 3, let us see about the how the arrays PHP arrays will work and how it will be executed. PHP arrays is an ordered map, contains value basis of key. It is used to hold multiple values of a similar type in a single variable, where it holds a value of a key and it can hold a multiple value as the same key in a single variable also. Some of advantages are less code, easy to traverse, sorting. We don't define multiple variables. If we define one variable, we can use reuse. Easy to traverse. By helping a single loop, we can traverse all the elements of an array. Sorting, we can sort the elements of the array easily. And there are 3 types: indexed array, associative array, and multidimensional array. Let's see one by one. Indexed array, PHP indexed is represented by a number which starts from 0 to n. We can store number, string and objects in the PHP array. All PHP array elements are assigned to an indexed number by default. The indexed number starting with the number 0. There are 2 ways to defining an array. Let's go to the season, where season, in the first way, season array is equals to, by defining it in a first way, we use the parenthesis and the comma to separating a name, variables names in an array summer, comma winter, comma spring, comma autumn. In second way, the season, the indexed as a 0, summer, season, the indexed are a 1, winter, and it will goes on. We can give a number. Associative array, we can associate name with each array element using a PHP using an is equals to greater than symbol. There are 2 ways, same. If a salary, we will take a salary is equals to array. Sono gets the salary is equals to greater than 35,000, and John and Karthik. When we use a second way, salary, the variable name, the indexed name was the 0 value name, the first index was Sono. They will get a 3,50,000. John and Karthik. This associative array will work. And in a multidimensional array, PHP multidimensional array is also known as an array of arrays. It also you have to store a tabular data in an array. PHP multidimensional array can be represented in the form of matrix, which is represented by a row star column. Let us see an example. $emp array, open array 1. It is like in a tabular format. The 1, the serial number, the name and the salary. We can create, we have directly given the values. 1, so no, 4 lakh. 2, John, 5 lakh. For row is equals to 0, row less than 3, row plus plus. For column is equals to 0, column less than 3, column plus plus. Here, the printing statement, the echo statement will be the $emp, the way, variable name, declaring variable name. The printing was row and column. It will print 1, so no, 4 lakh, 40 lakhs. And the next array and the next array. This is how multidimensional array will work. Then array functions. PHP provides various array functions to access and manipulate the elements of array. The important PHP array functions are given below. PHP array functions creates any returns an array. It allows you to create indexed, associative and multidimensional array. In PHP array functions we can use 3 types of array also: indexed, associative, multidimensional array. Syntax: array, mixed dollar symbol, it will goes on a variables. PHP season is the variable. The array, the variable name, summer, winter, spring, autumn. When we are printing echo, seasons are season 1, the indexed value. Season 2, it will print like seasons are summer, winter, spring and autumn. PHP array change keycase function. PHP array change keycase function changes the case of all key of an array. It will change. Like let's see a syntax after we go to the example. Array change key case, array, the variable name array, int case is case lower. When we are declaring in a lower case. When we are printing an array, here you can see when we are printing an array change case, the salary, the name should be an all case, upper case it has been printed. This is how it will work. We can change many other functions, lowercase, uppercase, the value, etc. PHP array chunk function. PHP array chunk function splits array into chunks by using the array chunk method. You can divide array into many parts. It will divide into many parts. You can see the syntax: array chunk array, $array int size, bool preserve key is equals to false. Example: salary array. It will divide the printing a statement array chunk the salary comma 2. It will print 2. So no 50,000 and Vimal 25 lakhs. It will print by the divided. And PHP count function. PHP count function counts all the elements in the array. How many variables are the variable letters? Are there counts in elements in an array? Int count, mixed array are countable. We can easily say echo count the season, the variable, and what is the variable we have given, variable name we have given, echo count that will be defined as how many elements in an array. PHP sort function sorts all the elements in the array. Boolean sort array and ampersand sort array, int sort flags is equal to sort regular. We can come to the example: sort season. For each season as S, it will sort one by one. PHP array reverse. In this we can enter in a conceptual order. We can get reversed order also. By printing a statement we can get reversed. PHP array reverse function returns an array containing elements in a reversed order. Syntax: array reverse. Array $array boolean preserve key is equals to false. Example: season is equals to array summer, winter, print, autumn. Reverse season. The simple one is reverse season is equals to array reverse the season variable what we have given. For each as reverse season as S, echo S break, it will reverse a array. Array search. Here the searching of an element can be done. PHP array search function searches the specified value in an array. It returns a key if search is successful. We have given a summer, winter, spring, autumn. When the key array search spring and spring enter the season, in season we have to search a spring. If it will search a spring, it will give a successful output. If not, it will show an unsuccessful. The array element was not found. PHP array intersect, where we can intersect an array. two arrays. PHP array intersect function returns an intersection of a two array. In other words, it returns the matching elements of two array. Array intersect array $array1 array2. It will go on. Example, name1 is equals to array. We have given some names and name2 array. Name3 array intersect name1 and name2. It will intersect array. It will display as Sonu, John, Vivek, Smith. Then it will display Umesh and Karthik. Next, we are moving to a PHP string. PHP string is a sequence of characters that is used to store and manipulate text. PHP support only 256 character set, and so that it does not offer native Unicode support. There are 4 ways to specify a string literal in PHP: single quoted, double quoted, heterodox syntax, and a new doc syntax. The last one is, since we are using the upgraded version PHPs, that we are new doc syntax. Let's see. Single quoted, we can create a string in PHP by enclosing in a text in a single quote. It is the easiest way to specify the string in PHP. For specifying a literal single quote, we escape it with the backslash, and to specify the literal backslash and use double slash. All other instances with backslash such as R or N will be output same as they specified, having any special meaning. For example, with the single quote, str is equals to hello text with the single quote, echo string, it will be displayed as a hello text within single quote. Double quoted, in PHP we can specify string with the enclosure and with the double quoted, it will display as the same output, hello text with the double quote. The declaring was difference, where in single quoted str we use a single quote, and double quote we use a double quote, but escaping sequence and variables will be interpreted using the double quotes in PHP strings. PHP math functions. PHP provides many predefined math constants and functions that can be used to perform mathematical operations. The ABS, the first function was math ABS function. The ABS function returns the absolute value of a given number. It returns an integer value, but if you pass a floating value, it returns a float value. Number, ABS, mixed number. PHP echo, ABS minus 7. The 7 is an integer. It will return a what we have given. It will return as same as it will given a 7 integer as a 7, and the float will be given the value will be given as a displayed as a float. PHP math SELI function. The SELI function rounds a fraction ups. When we gave a 3.8 or 3 point something many more, we can see example here SELI. Echo SELI 3.3 break, it will display as a 4, and we have given a 7.333, it will be displayed as 8. When we given as a SELI minus 4.8, it will display as a minus 4. The SELI, it will rounds up in a value. And math floor function, floor defines as rounds the fractions down. It will not display, when we given a fraction, it will not display the fraction, it will rounds up the fraction, it will display the number. Here you can see 3.3, it will display as 3, 7.333, 7, and here the fraction has been rounded up with the minus 4.8, it will be displayed as minus 5. SQRT function, when you go any square root of the number, it will be displayed. Echo SQRT of 16 is 4, 25 is 5. If SQRT of 7, it will be displayed as a float integer value. PHP math decibin function convert decimal number into a binary, and it returns a binary number as a string. Decibin 2, 10, 10, and decibin 10, 1010. As you know, a binary digit number 0248, it will return, if any decimal number you have been given, it will return in a binary format. Decihexa, it will return given any decimal number into it will return in a hexadecimal number. The syntax has been little bit changed, like DEC hex, dec hex. The 2, if a 10, A 20 to 60. PHP math base convert function, it convert base number into any base number. For example, you can convert hexadecimal number into a binary, hexadecimal into an octal, binary to octal, octal to hexadecimal, binary to decimal. Here you must specify the value, string base convert, string number, int from base, int to base. Where example you can see PHP $n1 is equals to 10, echo base convert $n1, 10, 2, here it will display as 1010. It will convert it into hexadecimal to binary, decimal to binary. Now let us see a PHP form handling. We can create and use a forms in PHP as we seen in HTML also. To get from form data, we need to use PHP super global $get and $post. The form request may be get or post. To retrieve data from get request we need to use, from post request we need to use the post function. PHP get form, get request is default from request. The data is passed through the get request is visible on the URL browser, so it is not secured. You can send limited amount of data through get request. Let's see a simple example. When we are form 1.html and welcome PHP, the get function is displayed as in the URL browser, echo welcome name, the name has been displayed. We have to specify the form action in HTML. Form action welcome.php method is get. Name input type is equals to text, name is name, input type name, submit, value is equals to visit. In PHP, name, get name, echo welcome. Receiving name field value from a name variable. The name has been displayed. In a post form, post request is widely used to a submit form that have a large amount of data such as a file upload, image upload, login form, registration form, etc. It does not displayed in any URL. The data passed through the post request is not visible on the URL browser, so it is secured. The post form, it will be secured. You can send a large amount of data through the post request. Here you can see the simple registration form or a name and password form. Here you can name and password. The password will be secured. The name will be secured. Here in URL it should not be displayed and it could not be displayed. It will be secured in format. Here we have discussed in this session array and a math function, how PHP arrays will work. There are three types of array: indexed array, multidimensional array, and array functions, count, sort, array reverse, search function, and PHP string. There are a single quoted, double quoted, and some of a PHP math function, cell, sqrt, how to convert a decimal to hexadecimal, decimal to binary, and a base convert. We have seen a form handling, get and post method, and we will come up with the next session. And thank you for watching this video.